this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the Tunerz, who's this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the Tunerz, who's this? The SE Tunerz, who's that? The SE Tunerz, who's this? The SE Tunerz, who's that? The SE Tunerz. Run up in the dance like everybody down. Run up in the dance like everybody down. Run up in the dance like everybody down.
Remember, if you want to see our detailed cleaning guide using our Southeast Tunerz valeting products, you can go to the website www.southeasttuners.co.uk and you can download it from the cleaning guide page. And remember, this month we're giving away a GRACIES Sweet Treats bucket. All you have to do to win is just comment. That's literally it, just comment. Everything you can see here on the screen will be inside of the bucket. Your wrap snacks, your airheads, you name it, all your favorite American candy. And we'll also be giving away our ceramic spray detailer and also our brand new ceramic shampoo this month only. So remember, all you have to do is just comment to win. That simple. Right, so now we're going to wash the body of the car. I'm going to rinse it again first. Obviously, you know, these videos all being shot in one day, even though it's coming to you in different parts. And I'm not shy of promoting other companies that I've used. So you can see I'm using the 2-bucket system. I've got the Meguiar's bucket and the Yumcar's bucket. I'm hoping one day Southeast Tunerz will have a Southeast Tunerz bucket, but for now, these are the 2 buckets I'm going to use. I've used Meguiar's products literally from I started driving. I think I was using Meguiar's, and then I thought, you know what, let's support UK cleaning car product company. So then I started supporting Yumcar's, and then waiting for the delivery and everything. I just thought, oh, you know what, it takes ages sometimes, even though sometimes it's 2-3 days. When you want to wash your car, you want to wash your car. So hence this is why we have our own Southeast Tunerz products. I'm going to show you quickly how much shampoo I pour into each bucket. It's a convertible, it's not a big car, so I don't need much. Probably half a bucket each will do the cars. I'll use the Meguiar's bucket to do the body, and I'll use the Yumcar's bucket to do the wheels, you know, giving that final clean. But yeah, let's get to it. Right, so in the Meguiar's bucket, I've got my green hand mitt, and in the Yumcar's, I don't know if you can see it, I've got my black hand mitt. Now the reason why I use a black hand mitt for the wheels, come on, it must be common sense. Let me just pour in some of this wash and wax. Right, yeah, the reason why I use a black mitt is because it don't matter what or how clean your wheels are. Regardless, whenever you clean the wheels, the mitt ends up going black anyway, even though the wheels are clean. Do you know what, let me pour in a bit more of this. Love this stuff, love this stuff. Nice bubblegum fragrance. Let's put a bit more in here. Okay, yeah, lovely. Right, so yeah, so I use the green one for the car, the black one for the wheels. Like I said, the black one mainly because all the brake dust and stuff won't affect it. When it goes dirty and black, it will still look the same. So that way I get to keep it longer. So let's just fill these up with some water now. So the car is all clean now, and all I'm going to do is use this waffle cloth to dry it all off now. Okay, then we'll take a close-up look at it. Right, so I've just used the waffle cloth to dry off the car. As you can see, it's coming up very nicely. Guess what this black cloth is for? 2 guesses? Okay, this is to clean the wheels. Yet again, a black cloth to clean the wheels, because it doesn't matter how clean the wheels are, the cloths still get dirty. So I'm going to clean off the wheels now, and then we'll take a little walk around the car and we'll see what it looks like.